Hi, it's Darnell at Crispi Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up burgers in the Ninja Crispi portable cooking system, and we'll see how that goes. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so I've got myself 1 pound of ground beef here, and I've also got some garlic and herb seasoning that I'll be using. It's basically just like a salt, pepper, garlic type of mixture, which is really all you need for burgers. I'm going to get the lid off the Ninja Crispi here. It's got the 4-quart pan in there and the extension with the power head there, or whatever they call it. I did it in my initial review. See the initial review where I did all the things in detail and told you what's what, but I just call these things what I care to call them at this point. There's over 900 videos on this channel with over 80 different cookers. When you get close to 100, call them whatever you want. But putting seasoning in here in the meat, I just kind of smashed the meat out a bit. I'm just going to kind of crush it all together, kind of mix the meat and the seasonings all together really good. And I'm going to try and get maybe about 3 burgers out of this, so I'm just kind of splitting up my beef here to try and see how much I'm going to put in each of these burgers here. Yeah, that should be good. About 3. Let's see. Get a little more from this one. Put it over on that one. Yeah, so I'm going to do 3, so it'll be like generally 1/3 of a pound each, or whatever I guess. I'm putting a little dent in the middle of each to help when things start swelling up, because that water starts condensing inside, they swell up, and that'll help to prevent things from getting too much of a bulge in the middle by putting that dent in the middle there. Alright, so I got 3 burgers in there now. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Power Pod, which is the correct name for it, put it there on top. And so the cooker automatically comes on once you put the Power Pod on top. So I'm going to go over to air fry. I don't think I'll need 20 minutes, but I'm going to give them 20. I'm going to check them after about 50, well no, I'm going to check them after about 8 or 9 minutes, flip them, and then let them go till they've gone for about 15 minutes total. So yeah, maybe I'll just let them go for 10 and flip them, and then let them go the last 5 on the other side. That's what I'm going to do. Let them go 10, flip, then let them go 5 on the other side. And so let's hit start, and we'll see how things go. Alright, been going for 10 minutes. Set this over on the side for a moment and flip. And depending on your desired degree of doneness, you may want to flip sooner. I'm going for well done, so I'm flipping after 10 minutes of cooking. Going to let them cook for at least another 5, maybe more, but I prefer to let them go beyond the halfway point of my cooking time, which might be 15 minutes. But got the Power Pod back on, hit start again, and let them continue to cook for a while, and then I'll bring you on back. Alright, it's been 15 minutes total cooking time, and I'm going to go ahead and check the temperature now because they may be at my target. They're at 138. For some of you that's done. For some of you that's perfect. So if that's you, you know where to stop. For me, I'm going to go those other 5 minutes and let it finish things out, and I'll bring you back in a moment. Alright, so after a full 20 minutes of cooking time, I'm going to take the Power Pod off and check the temperatures again. Yeah, we're 160s. Anything over 155 is good for well done. And so I know that might be too high for some of you, but we all are different folks and we have different preferences, so much respect to everybody's preference. And I'll leave it at that. So let me show you the actual burgers here. You probably, well, let me get them on the plate so that you can see them easier. Probably a little hard to see them. Trying to turn the container like that. So here we go. Nice, easy close-up of the burgers. So this is how you do burgers in the Ninja Crispi. It can cook them up pretty quick because it's a hot end type of cooker. And so if you did like the video, of course you can give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments. You can always support the channel. Nothing on this channel is sponsored, nothing given to me, and that's my preference. And so you can always, in the video description, you can buy my cookbook. You can also check out things like the merch. You can also do memberships. You can see the link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price, help the channel. You can also check out the Buy Me a Coffee link. You can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. That's superwaveovenrecipes.com. Buy Me a Coffee link is also there. So lots of ways to help out. And so with all of that said, I do wish to you and yours good eating.